Hello, this is Arun, and I'm a fresher with some marketing knowledge. I wanted to have a good career opportunity in a reputed company, so I thought of learning Salesforce. I inquired about a good institute to learn Salesforce and heard about HKR Trainings. Then I joined HKR Trainings. The trainers in HKR have an excellent command of concepts. They made the concept very simple. They assisted me throughout the course. I have learned about Salesforce practically working with the real-time project. The support team was always available to solve my issues anytime. I recommend joining HKR Trainings to learn Salesforce.